That means it's time for the Essential Oil Works podcast. We are going through all of the oils in alphabetical order, and these are short podcasts just so that you can familiarize yourself with each oil. Today we're talking about Aroma Siez. Now, Aroma Siez is a very advanced, complex anti-inflammatory. It's a muscle-relaxing essential oil. It promotes circulation. It relieves headaches. If you have tight, inflamed, or achy muscles resulting from injury, fatigue, or stress, Aroma Siez is the oil for you. Just remember, I am not a doctor. I am not a prescribing or treating individual. Everything I say today has not been evaluated by the FDA. Young Living products are not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure, or prevent disease. If you have anything going wrong, please see your doctor or your health practitioner for health advice. And if you're not a member of Young Living yet, you need to be, because you need to get this oil, Aroma Siez. Just email us, info@essentialoilworks.com, and we will set you up so that you can order your Aroma Siez. Now, Aroma Siez has 5 different oils in it. And just because some of these oils are ingestible does not mean that you should ingest Aroma Siez. Okay, this is only for topical use, and you want to apply V6 oil or some type of carrier oil if it's a sensitive area. And the first oil in Aroma Siez is basil. Now, basil combats muscle spasms and inflammation. It's a relaxing oil for both the striated and smooth muscles. Now, smooth muscles are the involuntary controlled muscles. They're like your heart beating and things like that, your stomach moving. Striated muscles are for bursts of energy, and they're completely on demand. So basil is good for involuntary muscles such as those found like your heart or your digestive system. Marjoram. Marjoram is the second oil in Aroma Siez, and it helps regenerate smooth muscle tissue and assists in relieving spasms, reduces the pain of sprains, bruises, and migraine headaches, and it calms the nerves. It is an antibacterial and an antiseptic. Marjoram's a great oil. The third oil in Aroma Siez is lavender. Lavender relieves muscle spasms. It relieves sprains, pains, headaches, inflammation, anxiety, burns, skin conditions like psoriasis. It helps prevent scarring and stretch marks. It is hypotensive, anti-infectious, and anticoagulant. And it also is a calming and uplifting oil. If you know lavender, you know how good lavender is. The other oil that is in Aroma Siez is peppermint. Peppermint has powerful pain blocking and anti-inflammatory properties. It also has antispasmodic properties too. So you can see that these oils are synergistic. They're all working toward the same thing. In 2013, there was a study conducted in South Africa and at the university at Pretoria there, and they found that the main constituent of peppermint, menthol, not only has a high effective skin penetration, but also has analgesic effects. So it's good for you. It's very good for you. The last oil that is in Aroma Siez is cypress. Cypress is an antibacterial. It's an antimicrobial. It's an antiseptic. It improves circulation and lymphatic drainage. Cypress is an awesome oil. It reduces edema and water retention, and it strengthens your vascular system. Again, you want to use Aroma Siez only topically. You want to dilute it for sensitive areas. You want to apply it to sore muscles, that kind of thing. And Aroma Siez is used in the Raindrop Massage technique. It smells like a fresh garden, and I really encourage you to check it out. Now, if you're the type of person who likes to use essential oils to help relieve emotions, if you're having an emotion of inconsistency, if you find yourself falling short in a lot of different areas, you want to say to yourself, I can trust myself. I have a routine in my life. I can accomplish things. And you want to put Aroma Siez on your temples, which is the unconscious, quote unquote, part of your body. It runs for $33.75 with the 24% discount from Young Living, and you can pick it up in the 15 milliliter bottle for that price. If you'd like to ask questions about any other oil, or you have questions about Aroma Siez, email us, info@essentialoilworks.com. Check out essentialoilworks.com for more on healthy, clean, and chemical-free living. That's essentialoilworks.com.